Hello, it's August 13th, 2025. I'm going to do a little video about my dad's Gravely. It's called the Front Deck Tractor. I think it's from the late 70s, possibly early 80s. We used it a lot in its day. It was always dependable. But I guess we got lazy, hired a landscaper, sort of like everybody else around here. And it's been sitting around doing nothing for many years. I'm doing this video because somebody's interested in purchasing it from me. So I'll just go through the controls and demo it real quick. It's pretty simple to use. It uses, it's a Kohler cast iron engine. I think they're called K81s. These are the controls here. This on the left bar is your low and high range, and neutral is in the middle. On the right is forward and reverse. The T-handle right there engages your deck spindles, and this is your throttle control. Low for slow, up for fast. Revolutions of the engine. Try use it right here now. It's kind of hard, nobody's around, and let's give it a try though. Start it up. It usually starts easy. Make sure it's in neutral. No problem there. Here's your reverse right away. Put it into low. I got to go back first. Okay, let's reverse. Alright, that's good. Keep the engine low when you engage the deck. Spins the belt. Then you can lift the motor a little bit. You're about there. We never over-revved it. This is your forward and control. Forward and reverse. I guess I should have put the camera on the stick. I could have probably made a better video. But anyway, it works pretty good. What these things don't do is they don't have a clutch on each wheel, so they don't turn for you. So you have to kind of bully them around a little. That's why they give you the long yoke for leverage here. Let's take it out of range. Okay, back to reverse a little bit, no problem there. Always shut the blades off before you shut it down. These things always amaze me how low they would run. They idle very low. Probably even go lower than that. But there it is. Thanks, bye.